For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The United States and its ally Australia held high-level talks on China. The two countries agreed on the need to uphold a rules-based global order. But on the other hand, Australian Foreign Minister stressed Canberra's relationship with Beijing was important and it had no intention of hurting it. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Defense Secretary Mark Esper held 2 days of talks in Washington with their Australian counterparts. In a joint news conference, Pompeo praised Australia for standing up to pressure from China. Mike Pompeo said US and Australia would continue to work together to reassert the rule of law in the South China Sea. Australian Foreign Minister Marise Payne said the United States and Australia shared a commitment to the rule of law. Payne also reiterated their commitment to hold countries accountable for breaches such as China's erosion of freedoms in Hong Kong. She said both the US and Australia agreed to form a working group to monitor and expand cooperation on infectious diseases, including access to vaccines. But Australia did not agree to everything with the US or China.
The relationship that we have with China is important and we have no intention of injuring it. But nor do we intend to do things that are contrary to our interests. We don't agree on everything though. And that's part of a respectful relationship, is part of a relationship that has endured over 100 years of friendship.
Payne said that Australia made its own decisions and judgments based on its national interests and security.
We deal with China in the same way. We have a strong economic engagement, other engagement, and it works in the interests of both countries.
Mike Pompeo, a known critic of China, last week said that US and its allies must use more assertive ways to press China to change its ways. Pompeo also said, then it may be time for a new alliance of democracies for this purpose. This isn't about picking America versus China. This is about choosing freedom and democracy against tyranny and authoritarian regime. And I'm confident that the democracies, our transatlantic alliance, know precisely which side of that debate they want to be on. Payne declined to comment on Pompeo's statement but said that Australia will take its own stand when it comes to China. Beijing had imposed dumping tariffs on barley from Australia and also suspended some beef imports. Beijing had also recently warned students and tourists against traveling there, citing racism accusations.